Okay, so I thought I'll tell you a bit more about this spice rack or bottle pullout that I presented in the last video. So you may know that modular base units are built into cabinets, and in the industry, in the trade, these cabinets are called carcasses for some reason. And this approach here, what I'm doing is, instead of a carcass, I'll use a skeleton to mount the drawers and pullouts and whatever. And the skeleton is made of aluminum profile. So this is how it looks from the end. You have this bar of aluminum which has this slightly complicated shape, and you get it in different lengths. And it's easy to cut with a hacksaw. And then you also get, all this is from Amazon. So from Amazon you can buy these channels, and you can buy hardware to make joints like this. This is an L joint, and somewhere I have a T joint. Okay, so here's a T joint, another T joint. You can join this with simple aluminum channel. You have strips to join things in other ways, end to end. Now, any modular unit, the drawer has a thing called a telescopic slide, or there are other types of slides. So this, if you look at this part, this is the slide. This is how the slide works. You must have seen it in your drawers. This is from Amazon as well, and this basket is also from Amazon. So in short, you can buy all this stuff and put it together. Now the thing about these drawer slides is, usually the slide is mounted on the inner wall of your carcass or cabinet, and that is a very fiddly process. If the slides are not exactly parallel, then they get stuck, they wear out faster. They need to be parallel, they need to be exactly horizontal, and so on, and that's difficult to do. And the screws tend to eat into the cabinet material if the cabinet material is not really chosen well. So all these problems. Now in my case, the drawer slide is fitted between two of these aluminum profiles, and it's essentially, I have made an outer slide for the drawer slides itself, and then I have tensioned them in such a way that your drawer slide mechanism is held tightly between the this upper aluminum section and the lower aluminum section. So on the other side you will find the same thing, the slide in the middle, drawer slide, and it's held between the upper aluminum profile and the lower aluminum profile, and the whole thing is clamped together using hardware that also comes from Amazon. And then you get extra support and rigidity because you have at the back, you have this back framework. Now one more point we need to look at is, when you pull out the slide. Let me pull out the slide. Okay, the drawer is pulled out. Now the weight of the stuff that you put in the drawer or in the pullout is going to cause your whole unit to tilt forward. You can see that the back of the unit is trying to go up because the weight of things which you put in the rack is pressing down at this side. So this point acts as a fulcrum, and that point, the rear end, tips up. So to prevent that, this is going to be, of course, mounted below your kitchen countertop, and there will be some adjustable length here which will bring it exactly to the same height as the lower surface of your kitchen top. So your kitchen countertop will prevent this from tipping over. And then I'll be mounting 4 legs, adjustable legs below this, So this will be standing on 4 small legs, so maybe 5-6 centimeters. So that will give you the height you need for the skirting. That will there will be a skirting running in front of all your modular units. So that's part of pretty much what I wanted to say about this unit. My next unit might be a plate rack and a cutlery drawer. So I'll be buying the hardware and starting to assemble it in a few days.